I remember the exact moment it hit me. I was sitting in front of my laptop, rubbing my tired eyes, struggling to read the text on the screen. My glasses had become a permanent part of my face, something I relied on every single day. But instead of solving the problem, they seemed to make it worse. Every year, my prescription got stronger. Every year, my vision got weaker. I was trapped. I had always believed that bad eyesight was just bad luck, something genetic, something inevitable. My optometrist never questioned it. "Your vision is getting worse," they would say. "Time for a stronger prescription." No one ever told me that maybe, just maybe, my eyes didn't have to get worse. That maybe I could take control. That realization came when I stumbled upon Jake Steiner and his radical yet science-backed approach to reversing myopia. He wasn't just another eye doctor handing out prescriptions, he had actually reversed his own nearsightedness. And he was helping thousands of others do the same. Jake's approach challenged everything I thought I knew about eyesight. He explained how our modern habits, constant screen time, endless hours staring at close-up objects were weakening our eyes. Our vision wasn't failing because we were doomed by genetics. It was failing because we weren't using our eyes the way nature intended. I was hooked. I had to try this for myself. The first thing I did was break the cycle of over-reliance on glasses. Instead of automatically reaching for them, I started using a slightly weaker prescription, just enough to function, but not enough to keep my eyes dependent. I learned to practice active focus, a technique where I challenged my eyes to clear up blurry text instead of immediately surrendering to glasses. And then, I took a step back from screens. Not completely, I still needed to work, but I started taking breaks, spending more time looking at distant objects instead of constantly straining my eyes up close. I made time to go outside, exposing my eyes to natural light and longer distances, things they were built to see. At first it felt slow, but then something changed. I noticed that I could see clearer for longer stretches of time. The morning blur I always had was fading. I wasn't reaching for my glasses as quickly. And then, one day, I looked up at a street sign I knew was always blurry, and suddenly I could make out the letters. That was the moment I knew I was on the right path. This was more than just an experiment. It was freedom. I had been told my whole life that eyesight only gets worse, that glasses were the only solution. But Jake Steiner proved that wasn't true. And now, I was proving it to myself. If you're tired of being stuck in the endless cycle of stronger prescriptions, if you've ever wondered whether your vision could actually improve, then you need to hear this. In this episode, Joseph Navarro interviews Jake Steiner, breaking down the real reasons behind vision loss and how you can start improving your eyesight naturally. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast103 or find it on iTunes and Spotify under Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about something just as important: hydration. People think drinking water is enough, but without the right electrolytes, your body can't function properly. That's why I trust Element Electrolytes, no sugar, no artificial junk, just pure hydration. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Get yours at drinkelement.com/burnit. Your eyesight isn't broken. Your body isn't broken. Take back control. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast103 and start seeing the world through your own eyes clearly.